Cardiovascular exercises, or cardio exercises for short, are an essential component of any fitness routine. They get your heart pumping, improve endurance, and help burn calories. In this article, we will explore the benefits of 4 popular cardio exercises: the treadmill, walking, and bike. 1. Treadmill. The treadmill is a versatile cardio machine that allows you to walk, jog, or run indoors. It provides a controlled environment for exercising, regardless of the weather outside. Treadmill workouts can be customized by adjusting speed, incline, and duration. Regular treadmill sessions improve cardiovascular health, strengthen leg muscles, and help with weight management. Walking is a simple yet effective form of cardio exercise suitable for all fitness levels. It can be done outdoors, on a treadmill, or even inside your home. Brisk walking increases heart rate, burns calories, and improves overall cardiovascular fitness. It is a low-impact exercise that puts minimal stress on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages. Biking is a popular activity that offers numerous health and fitness benefits. Whether you prefer cycling on the road, hitting the trails, or pedaling on a stationary bike, biking is an excellent cardio exercise that improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and enhances overall fitness. In this article, we will explore the many advantages of biking as a form of exercise. Incorporating cardio exercises into your fitness routine is vital for improving cardiovascular health, increasing endurance, and managing weight. Whether you choose the treadmill, walking, swimming, or cycling, each activity offers its unique benefits. Remember to start at a comfortable pace and gradually increase intensity and duration. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. So, lace up your shoes, hit the pool, or hop on a bike, and enjoy the amazing benefits of cardio exercises.